Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to install how to install Kali Linux in VMware workstation player. Okay, first of all, you install the VMware workstation player. Uh, Here was the 17 version. Okay, download for free. Here, click the download and download it, and then install VMware, and then search Kali Linux official website and go to the machines, and here was the virtual machine. Click on this, and here was the VMware version, VirtualBox version, Hyper-V version, QMO version. Okay, here download this 2.7 GB file, and I have downloaded already Kali Linux VMware, and file was in a zip folder. You can extract with using 7-zip and another version, another product. Okay, then open the folder, and here was the Kali Linux VMware. Click on this. Okay, double click on this, and opening a VMware workstation. Okay, there was a Kali Linux was running. Here was the installation process are running on VMware. Okay, here was this is Kali logo, Kali machine logo, and processing Kali Linux booting system. Okay, so here was the login page of Kali Linux. Then default password is Kali and Kali. Password is Kali and username was as well as Kali. Okay, then login. Okay, so here was the Kali Linux interface, and click on terminal. And here was the sudo command, and enter. Then place your password, default password, and here was the root terminal. Then apt get update. First of all, update your Kali Linux. This was the updated Kali Linux, and then upgrade Kali Linux, and default is yes. Then process was starting, is getting time to upgrade the system. Okay, here was the process was complete of upgrading a system, and close this, shut down. Here was the Kali Linux was shut down, and then you open the VMware. Here is Kali Linux, okay, and you can edit your virtual machine to uh, first of all RAM upgrading a RAM 4 GB, and then processor was default, and then 18 GB of hard disk, and then network adapter was you can custom your network and create your personal network in virtual machines. Okay, here was the edit a virtual machine with using this. Okay, so